This next-generation GPU isn't just a refresh or iterative update. It's a dramatic leap forward, designed to challenge and, in some tests, outrun the very best GPUs of 2025, including Nvidia's RTX 5090 and Apple's M5 Ultra-class iGPUs. The question on everyone's lips: did AMD just win the GPU war? In this video, we'll explore the architecture, real-world benchmarks, thermal innovations, AI integrations, and how the RX 9070 XT disrupts everything we thought we knew about GPU supremacy in 2025. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. At the heart of the Radeon RX 9070 XT lies AMD's all-new RDNA 4.5 architecture, a refined and deeply optimized iteration of the already powerful RDNA 4. This new platform brings significant IPC gains, lower latency ray tracing cores, and an overhauled AI matrix engine that rivals even Nvidia's latest Tensor cores. Where RDNA 4 focused on performance per watt efficiency, RDNA 4.5 takes things further by integrating chiplet-based compute clusters, allowing AMD to scale GPU performance more efficiently and aggressively. The RX 9070 XT is fitted with 32 GB of ultra-fast GDDR7X memory, clocked at a jaw-dropping 24 gigabits per second. This translates into a total bandwidth north of 1.5 terabytes per second, ensuring the card can handle even the most demanding 16K workflows, professional AI modeling, and next-gen 3D rendering. It's not just about the raw VRAM capacity. It's about how AMD has integrated a new memory compression algorithm to make sure data flow is always fluid and uninterrupted. In real-world gaming benchmarks, the RX 9070 XT edges out the RTX 5090 in many AAA titles, including Cyberpunk 2077 Phantom Liberty, Starfield, Alan Wake 2, and even the notoriously demanding Flight Simulator 2024. On average, it delivers 7 to 12% higher FPS at 4K max settings, with ray tracing and AMD's latest FSR 4.0 enabled. In synthetic tests like 3D Mark Time Spy Extreme, the RX 9070 XT scores an unprecedented 33,500 points, which surpasses even Nvidia's flagship by around 8%. In workloads like Blender Cycles, DaVinci Resolve, and Stable Diffusion 3.5 Inference, AMD's AI hardware accelerators also show massive gains, putting the card in direct competition with Nvidia's CUDA-based dominance. AMD has finally cracked the code with FSR 4.0, their best temporal upscaler to date. Combined with Fluid Motion AI, the Radeon RX 9070 XT delivers image quality that's virtually indistinguishable from native 4K, while boosting frame rates by up to 70%. Unlike DLSS, which requires Nvidia's proprietary Tensor cores, FSR 4.0 works on a wider range of hardware, making AMD's ecosystem more accessible and developer-friendly. The Fluid Motion AI frame generation also sees significant upgrades, now delivering low-latency interpolation with ultra-smooth results, even in fast-paced esports titles like CS2, Valorant, and Overwatch 2. AMD's integration of machine learning-assisted motion prediction gives the RX 9070 XT a critical edge in the AI-enhanced gaming landscape. You'd expect a card this powerful to be a power-hungry monster, but AMD has turned heads with its 300W TDP design, a full 60W lower than the RTX 5090. With improved 7nm FinFET+ process nodes and dynamic